Hello everyone, Craven here. Welcome back to my channel. So, I've got two packages here, and I don't know what either of them are. So let's open this one first. This package is actually off my girlfriend. She has been online shopping, and you know what that means when she gives it to me. Usually means silver. Now, as I'm opening this, I'm being very careful because there is an address on either side, so I'm trying to be as careful as I can. But just at the top there, can you see that? It says 25 Phil. Now, there is a 2025 bullion coin from a certain mint in Austria that this could be. I could be completely wrong, but let's find out. Let's just get straight in there. Oh, this is familiar. It looks like misstacking with Craven has been on Silver Trader. Okay. Yeah, it is. I can see it. Oh, there we go. We finally have a Philharmonica. I think I pronounced it correctly. From the Austrian mint. Look at that beautiful design there with the guitars, all the instruments you can see there. Let's turn this around. Love this. This is lovely. It's a new addition to my stack. It's my first one of these. Love the design. It's written in Austrian, but that says 1 ounce of fine silver and 2025. And you can also see a face value of €1.5. Really, really nice. Let's put this bad boy on a coin stand. There we go. That's a Philharmonica 2025 1 ounce silver bullion coin. And it's thanks to Miss Stacking with Craven, who got me this as another mystery silver gift. So thank you, Miss Stacking with Craven. You absolutely spoil me. Thank you so much. So that's the first package. I'm delighted with that. On to the next one. I don't know who this is off or what this is, so let's find out. Let's open it, guys. Very well packaged. As you can see a little bit there. Bit of a poker chip. Think I know who this is off. Yeah. I'll try to be extra careful here. Very well packaged, CPM. Andy. Creative Precious Metals. Check out his YouTube channel, guys. Andy is an excellent chap. He really is. Down to earth. Really friendly guy. I've had plenty of opportunities to speak to him, and they've always been a pleasure. He has his Whiskey Wednesdays, which is every week on a Wednesday. They are brilliant. And his What podcast as well. And if you're into your Bitcoins, as well as your gold and silver, such as we all are, then head over and check out his channel, because it's something he's into as well. So there you go. His poker chip, Creative Precious Metals, with a lovely image of a Britannia on it. I love the black poker chips. That's really nice. Let's turn it around. Trust nobody, verify everything. Very wise words from a very wise owl. Thank you very much for that. That's going to go in my poker chip collection. But as of right now, mate, I'm going to put that right there. And last but not least, there was one more thing in this package. One of the really fantastic things that Creative Precious Metals does is a monthly competition, which encourages people to make a creative video. And the last month's competition, I actually entered. And I entered my Little John music video, which, if you haven't seen yet, check it out. And I can't take all the credit because the track itself was created by my good friend Villainous Bounty. Link in the description. I had so much fun with it. I was looking to get a sort of background theme tune for the Sundays with Craven podcast anyway, but it just seemed like a great opportunity to have some fun and get involved with Creative Precious Metals competition. So I did, and that's through Stackers Social, and it's through the Whiskey Lounge room, which is Creative Precious Metals room within Stackers Social. If you haven't joined Stackers Social, join. There will be a link in the description, but if you have a way of scanning this now, join Stackers Social. So I won this prize, a 1 ounce 2022 silver Krugerrand from the South African Mint. That is beautiful. Thank you so much, Andy. I really appreciate that. I really like the Krugerrands. I think they're a really fairly simple but elegant design. Paul Kruger there. So what am I going to do with this? The community gives so much to me through support and joining me every week on the Sunday podcasts, and support through my videos as I grow my stack and work on my own goals. But I do already have a 1 ounce silver Krugerrand. Now, don't get me wrong, I would love this. However, I feel like karma has treated me well recently. I'm going to graciously accept this prize from Creative Precious Metals, but I'm not going to keep it for myself. I'm going to be giving this back to you guys. Without you, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing and have so much fun doing it. So stick around, subscribe to the channel if you are new, because that will be going in a giveaway soon for you guys. Remember, I do a podcast on Sundays in Stackers Social. It's called Sundays with Craven, so check it out if you haven't already. Hit the like button for me. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.